Today, let us briefly explore 5 key advancements that might reshape the semiconductor industry in 2024. First, gallium nitride and silicon carbide will be the new stars in semiconductor materials. GaN, with its high efficiency and fast switching capabilities, will revolutionize power electronics. Meanwhile, SiC stands out in high-voltage environments and will become a cornerstone in electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. Thus, in 2024, more compound semiconductor manufacturing investments will occur. Next is quantum computing. It is not just science fiction. It is the future. With advancements in stable qubits and error correction, quantum computers are moving closer to practical applications. Based on quantum mechanics, these machines promise to solve complex problems beyond the reach of traditional computers, something to watch out for in 2024. There will be greater emphasis on artificial intelligence for chip designing in 2024. AI that can optimize chip layouts and reduce time to prepare, speeding up the design process and boosting manufacturing efficiency. It means faster, more innovative, and more efficient chips are on the horizon. Sustainability is key. In 2024, the semiconductor industry will adopt eco-friendly manufacturing practices like reducing harmful chemicals, recycling materials, using renewable energy, and a greener approach for a cleaner future. Finally, photonic chips. These chips use light to transmit data, offering faster and more energy-efficient processing. They will enable transformation for silicon chips catered towards data centers and high-speed networks, pushing the boundaries of computing performance. There has already been a lot of progress around photonics, and in 2024, the adoption will speed up. From materials to quantum leaps, AI-driven designs to sustainable practices, and the power of light in computing, the semiconductor industry will focus on new avenues in 2024. Exciting times.